I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to prevent specific apps from accessing your location on your Android device. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down this menu and then tap Location. Step 2. Tap Use Location. The next screen shows you 3 sections. The first section shows you your apps that are allowed to use your location all of the time. The next section shows you apps that are only allowed to use your location while they're in use. And the final section shows you apps that aren't allowed to use your location at all. Step 3. Locate the specific app you want to stop from being able to access your location on your Android device in this list and then tap that app. The location permission screen opens. Step 4. Navigate to the Location Access for this app section and then tap to select Don't Allow. That app will no longer have access to your location on your Android device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.